Hey, before I start this second video on this project of repairing these stairs, I want you to maybe think about something very important. You might say, Joe's just going to show me a lot of stuff that he's already showed me yesterday. I kind of get the point now. I don't think I need to watch any more of these videos. Well, guess what? Okay, everybody has a choice. But the more times you see something, the more times it gets embedded into your thought process, into your subconscious mind on how to do things. That's why when you watch TV shows, what do you see after each little segment? You see more commercials than the TV show. And lots of times, certain TV shows, you're going to see the same commercial and you're thinking, my word, I'm watching a 30-minute TV show or an hour TV show, and how many times have I seen the same commercial? Well, they get it. More times they embed their commercial into your head. Hopefully next time you go to the store, you're going to buy whatever they're trying to sell you. And it's just that way. When you watch videos, if you see something a second time, it embeds what you've learned the first time, and maybe you'll pick up different tips or different things that I may say today that you didn't hear on the last video. For instance, on the water, what I'm going to do to take the fix-all off. And you might have thought, well, hey, I never really thought of that before. Or using the multi-task tool, the multi-tool. Well, I didn't know about that before. Who knows what I'm going to use today and what I'm going to do and what I'm going to say. I never know. These are not scripted videos, any way of shape or form that you may think. I don't write anything down. I don't try to memorize anything. I turn the video camera on and I go for it. Okay? So hopefully you'll stick with me and continue to watch my videos. Oh, feels good to be done for the day. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.